An expert is someone who brings clarity to complexity and turns uncertainty into informed action. In Module 4, Chapter 4, we explore the role of consultants as an important protection resource within security management. Modern security environments are complex and constantly evolving. Organizations often require specialized knowledge that may not exist within their internal teams. This chapter explains how consultants support security executives, contribute expertise, and help organizations address challenges efficiently and professionally. We will examine their value, different types of consultants, and how they contribute to effective security programs. Security executives and organizations frequently face situations that demand specialized knowledge or objective analysis. Consultants serve as external experts who bring fresh perspectives and advanced technical or managerial expertise. This chapter focuses on how to identify the need for consultants, select the right professionals, and manage their work effectively. By leveraging external expertise, organizations can solve complex protection challenges, improve operational performance, and strengthen their overall security posture. Consultants offer significant value by providing independent and objective assessments. Because they are external to the organization, they can identify risks and recommend improvements without internal bias. Their specialized skills make them particularly useful for handling liability issues, technical challenges, and complex risk assessments. Consultants also bring cross-industry experience, sharing ideas and best practices that organizations may not otherwise encounter. Additionally, hiring consultants can be cost-effective and flexible, allowing organizations to access expertise only when needed. Security consultants generally fall into three major categories: security management consultants, technical security consultants, and forensic security consultants. In addition, organizations may also use security advisory committees as internal advisory resources. Security management consultants focus on strategy, planning, and policy development. Technical consultants concentrate on systems, technology, and design specifications. Forensic consultants specialize in investigations and evidence analysis. Understanding these categories helps organizations select the right consultant based on their specific needs. Security management consultants represent the largest group within the profession. They specialize in areas such as healthcare security, manufacturing, financial institutions, and retail environments. Their responsibilities often include developing security strategies, conducting risk assessments, creating policies and procedures, and supporting training and compliance programs. A strong understanding of security management principles is essential for these consultants, as they help prevent problems, improve operations, and enhance overall protection programs within organizations. Technical security consultants focus on translating security management concepts into detailed technical systems and equipment specifications. Their work may include physical security integration, IT security, surveillance systems, and access control technologies. Forensic security consultants, on the other hand, specialize in investigations, evidence collection, vulnerability analysis, and litigation support. They may also serve as expert witnesses. Together, these specialists provide organizations with advanced technical and investigative capabilities to address complex security challenges. Organizations typically decide to retain consultants when facing specific problems or when specialized expertise is required. For example, after security breach or theft incident, a consultant may be engaged to conduct a thorough crime analysis. This process involves examining existing security measures, identifying vulnerabilities, and recommending effective corrective actions. Consultants may suggest improvements such as implementing crime prevention through environmental design, updating policies, strengthening procedures, or upgrading physical security systems. It is important for clients to remain cautious of non-independent consultants who promote only specific products or services. Management teams are often receptive to consultant recommendations because consultants bring cross-industry knowledge and familiarity with recognized security standards, allowing organizations to see risks and solutions that may not be visible internally. Finding a qualified security consultant requires careful research and verification of credentials. Many security executives begin by seeking referrals from trusted colleagues who have previously worked with consultants. Industry associations, such as professional security organizations, also provide valuable directories of certified and experienced professionals. Certification programs offered by recognized organizations help confirm that consultants meet industry standards and possess verified expertise. Additionally, online searches and professional networks can help identify consultants specializing in particular fields of security. However, organizations should exercise caution when evaluating independent consultants who claim broad expertise in multiple areas. In many cases, consulting firms consist of teams of specialists, allowing them to combine diverse skills and provide more comprehensive solutions. Selecting the right consultant involves a structured evaluation process. Many organizations begin by preparing a request for proposal or RFP, which outlines project requirements and expectations. The first step typically involves identifying qualified candidates through professional networks, colleagues, and recognized associations. Next, selected candidates are invited to submit detailed applications, including their experience, certifications, and areas of specialization. These submissions are carefully reviewed to verify credentials and ensure alignment with project needs. Organizations then shortlist candidates and conduct interviews with representatives to evaluate communication skills and professional compatibility. Finally, the organization defines the project scope, deliverables, timelines, and reporting requirements before finalizing a signed contract. This systematic approach ensures the consultant selected is both capable and reliable. Consulting fees vary widely depending on the complexity of the project, the consultant's expertise, and the duration of the engagement. Several common fee structures are used in professional consulting agreements. Hourly fees are often used for short-term assignments or when the project duration is uncertain. Daily fees are similar but provide flexibility for extended tasks requiring full-day commitments. Fixed fees are commonly applied when the project scope is clearly defined, allowing both parties to agree on a predetermined cost. Retainer agreements involve paying a set amount over a period of time to secure ongoing access to consulting services. In addition, consultants may bill separately for expenses such as travel, lodging, or specialized equipment. Understanding these fee structures helps organizations plan budgets and manage project costs effectively. Effective collaboration with consultants requires clear organizational structure and defined responsibilities. In many cases, a project coordinator, often a senior security executive, acts as the primary point of contact between the consultant and the organization. This individual ensures communication flows smoothly and that project objectives remain aligned with organizational goals. Consultants may provide various levels of assistance, including guidance during planning, support during implementation, and evaluation of completed systems. Accepted methodologies, such as recognized risk assessment and project management frameworks, help maintain consistency and professionalism throughout the consulting process. A key principle when working with consultants is maintaining clear authority and responsibility. While consultants provide expert recommendations, final decisions typically remain with organizational leadership. A successful consulting engagement relies heavily on well-defined documentation and structured reporting. The process begins with a clearly written scope of work, which outlines project objectives, responsibilities, and expected deliverables. This document serves as the foundation for all project activities. Work plans are then developed to define schedules, milestones, and resource requirements. Throughout the project, progress reports are prepared to monitor achievements, identify challenges, and ensure timelines are maintained. Regular updates help stakeholders remain informed and engaged. At the conclusion of the project, consultants submit a final report summarizing findings, recommendations, and any required corrective actions. These reports provide decision makers with clear guidance and form the basis for implementing long-term security improvements. As business and societal environments continue to evolve in the 21st century, the demand for security consultants is expected to grow steadily. One major driver is the downsizing effect. As organizations reduce internal staffing, they often lose specialized expertise. Consultants help bridge this gap by providing on-demand knowledge, particularly in specialized areas such as crime analysis and risk management. Another emerging trend is niche specialization. Consultants are increasingly focusing on specific disciplines, allowing them to deliver deeper expertise and more precise solutions. At the same time, consulting alliances are becoming more common, where professionals with complementary skills collaborate to deliver broader and more integrated services. In some organizations, embedded specialists are maintained internally, while external consultants are engaged as project needs expand. This flexible model allows organizations to balance in-house knowledge with external expertise. Ultimately, the key to successful consulting relationships lies in understanding how to work effectively with consultants, establishing clear expectations, maintaining open communication, and aligning expertise with organizational goals. The right expertise, applied at the right time, transforms challenges into opportunities and risks into resilience. This concludes Module 4, Chapter 4 on Consultants as a Protection Resource. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to continuing the journey towards strengthening professional security knowledge and practice in the next chapter.